Nadine Wilkins here, and have you ever said to yourself, I'm never getting on camera, I'm never doing a live video, or maybe you've said to yourself, I don't even like the way I look in pictures, let alone videos, or maybe you said to yourself, I don't even know what I would say. If you said any of those things, you'll want to listen to this video today. Maybe you really want to reach more people online, but you've been so afraid of creating video content. I want to be able to share some tips with you today that I believe will make a difference to help you get started today. So I'm going to start with this. Your videos, when you first start off, they are not going to be perfect. So do not look for perfection. Do not look at that person who's been doing 1,000 videos on YouTube and they have the perfect thumbnail, they have the perfect lighting, they have the perfect everything. I'm here to tell you all you need to do your first video is your cell phone. That is it. Right? So the second thing I want to share with you is you may say to yourself, oh my God, I don't even know what I would say. You are the expert at what it is that you do. You offer a business or service that people want and they need, right? But they don't know that you exist or even that your service exists until you actually open your mouth and say so. Video is a great way for you to be able to reach a lot of people online. And you don't even have to go on and do long, 1 hour, 2 hour, 30-minute long live videos. No, you can get on and just share 2 to 3 minute videos of something that will make a difference for your ideal customer, your ideal client. All you have to do is share what it is that you know. And you can never share too much. I promise you, you can never share too much. And people want to hear from you. They want to hear from people they want to hear from you. They want it to be authentic, right? They want it to be real. Maybe the content that you create is, one day you do something that's empowering. Another day you do something that's educational. The next day you do something that's entertaining, right? But as long as what's most important more than anything else, more than even the content that you create, is number one, the consistency, and number two, the fast execution. See, if you are creating videos and you're rewatching them and you're editing and you're criticizing it, listen, you are not even allowed to criticize or say anything about your videos until you've done your first 100 videos. So I wanted to jump on and share this message with you. If you want to create video content, just pick up your phone and do your first video. It's not going to be perfect. You may not like the way you sound, the way you look, but just share the message, speak from the heart, let it be authentic. And I promise you, by the time you continue to do videos, you will start to develop your voice, your confidence, and you'll be able to look back on that first video that you created and be so grateful with how far you've come. So I hope this message makes a difference for you. If you haven't had a chance to check out my case study video, you can do so by going to my website, workwithnadine.com. Have a great evening. Take care and God bless.